a video showing you how to change the quarter turn ceramic cartridge on a Velamo Hero tap. First of all, we need to isolate the water. I have got a ball and fix valve underneath here, which makes it quite easy. Double check itself by opening the tap. Next thing we will need to do is to remove the handle. There is a grub screw located behind the handle, which will need to be removed. A little bit fiddly. Once offset aside, you will then need to remove this chrome shroud, which is unscrewed anti-clockwise, revealing the valve and a bush. When taking these out, sometimes it will come out with the bush, which looks like this. If so, you will need to remove the valve from the bush and reinsert to the tap. If there's trouble getting them apart, we do sell the bush as a spare. Right, so let's remove the valve. It's using an adjustable spanner here. This is a 15mm nut. In this case, I can see the bush is going to be left inside the tap. Also have a towel, because there's always the residue water from the spout. Wait for that to drain out. And mop up any excess. Okay, so you can see that the valve, the bush has been left in. So we just need to reinsert the new valve. Here's one here. All of our valves come with a screw in the end. In this case, we do not need the screw, as the handle is held on via a grub screw. So I will remove the screw. Screwing the valve back in the way it came out, so winding in clockwise now. All of our valves come with a 17mm nut, so a lot easier with a ring spanner. Or I prefer to use a ring spanner. Right, once that's on, the shroud screws back on clockwise, and then we need to align the handle. There's the handle. So one more round, and that looks good to me. So tightening back up the Allen key, which is in the back. 1 and 2 should get it. Oh, that's the handle secure. It could do have been a little bit tighter. That's better. Okay, so that's the valve changed. Now we just need to reinstate the water and check for leaks. Okay. Water's now back on. Purge the air out and all looking good. Make sure it doesn't drip and that there's no water or anything coming out of the valve housing here, which there's not. So that's a valve change, job done.